Unit 1, Wild Animals. Lesson 4, Phonics. Objectives. 1. The students will be able to differentiate between short E and long E correctly. 2. The students will be able to differentiate between the S sounds correctly. 3. The students will be able to match each picture with its word correctly. 4. The students will be able to differentiate between short U and long U correctly. 5. The students will be able to differentiate between short O and long O correctly. Short E. Okay. Short E is pronounced as a. But here we have the spelling is E-A. How do we know the difference between short E and long E? If we read the word and make the sound then it's short E. We have examples here. We have head, bread, deaf, wealthy, health, feather, treasure, measure, weather, and instead. Long E. Long E makes the sound E. Like the name of the letter. The letter is E and the long sound of it is E. We have the words here. Leaf, beak, beans, cheap, clean, cream, dream, east, heater, leader, mean, neat, please, season. So the long E makes the sound E. Short O and long O. Short O makes the sound U, like book, cook, foot, football, fox. So, and long O makes the sound oo, food, tooth, balloon, school, moon, boots, room. Short U and long U. Short U makes the sound like butt, bug, hug, bun, none, run, sun, cup, bus, cub, cut, hut, gum, jug, mug, pug, rug, tub. And long U has the spelling of either we have the U and then we have a consonant in the middle, then E. The E is called magic E or smart E. It makes the U long. We have a lot of examples here. The first one is cute, ooh. So it makes the sound ooh, cute, mute, huge, cube, mute, flute, fuse, mule, huge, fume, cute, cube, mule, cube, fume, huge, fume, cute, flute, fuse, cube, huge, cube, mute. As you can see, we have a lot of things repeated here, but it makes the sound cute, like cute, mute, okay?
Phonics. Sounds and letters. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and say. Then read and number 1 or 2. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. Head, head.
Head, head.
Number 2. Read, read.
Read, read.
Now listen, read, and number. Feather, feather. Peach, peach. Meat, meat. bread, bread.
Feather, feather. Bread, bread. Peach, peach. Meat, meat.
Good. Let's do it again and check. Exercise 2. Listen, point, and say. Then match with you or UE. Are you ready? Let's start. You says, tub. And you says, ooh, tube.
You says, tub. And you says, tube.
Tub, tub. Tube, tube. Cup, cup. Cube, cube. Uniform, uniform. Bus, bus. Duck, duck. Huge, huge. Now listen and match.
Cup, cup. Cube, cube. Uniform, uniform. Bus, bus. Duck, duck. Huge, huge.
Good. Let's do it again and check. Listen, say, and match. Are you ready? Let's practice first. OO says, ooh, food, food.
OO says, ooh, food, food.
OO says, book, book.
OO says, book, book.
Food, food.
Food, food.
Book, book.
Book, book.
Boot, boot.
Boot, boot.
Foot, foot.
Foot, foot.
Moon, moon.
Moon, moon.
Cook, cook.
Cook, cook.
Food, moon, boot.
Food, moon, boot.
Foot, book, cook.
Foot, book, cook.
Good. Let's check.
3 different S sounds. The first one is. The second one S. The third one Z. Okay, we have examples: races, buses, boxes, prizes, watches, dishes, changes. We have the S sound: sleeps, books, hats, cliffs, laughs, graphs. We have the Z sound: crabs, words, bags, falls, dreams, fans, signs, wears, gloves. A number, listen and check. So we have here, we're talking about the S sounds. We have 3 sounds for the S. Z like arms. Number 1, Z, arms. Number 2, S, trunks. Number 2, S, trunks. Number 3, is, like noses. Number 3, is, like noses. Okay, so let's look at picture number 1 first. We have, how do we say this word? Hippos. So it's like number 1, Z, arms, hippos. So they have it already done for us. Then let's look at the second one. We have crocodiles. Also it's saying Z. So we're going to put it as like arms like hippos. We're going to put it number 1. Then we have, the next one we have is snakes. Listen, it makes the sound S. So it's number 2. Here in the recording they had a mistake. They put it as number 1, which is wrong. We should put it as number 2. So here, snakes, snakes. So it's like trunks, like elephants. I already exposed the answer, but it doesn't matter. Okay. Next one we have elephants, elephants. So it's saying S. So it's number 2. Then we have dresses. So here you hear the is sound, which is number 3. Okay, dresses, dresses. Then we have the last one, faces, faces. Also number 3. Watching, prepared by Miss Noura Ghazali.